Hi guys, in this short video we're going to briefly discuss different trading sessions. Now what we're covering in this video are 24 hours or day session or 5 days a week sessions. There are 3 major trading sessions and the best sessions to trade. Now the Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Forex market opens at 5 p.m. Eastern on Sunday afternoon when the Asian markets open for trading. And the market closes at 5 p.m. Eastern on Friday afternoon as New York closes for business for the week. Now, not all hours are good to trade, and very briefly, trading works best when at least one of the countries of the currency pair you are trading is in or during their business hours. Now, these are the various trading sessions. There's 3 major trading sessions that people look out for. One is the Tokyo session or the Asian session. It's from 5 p.m. Eastern to 4 p.m. Eastern, or 12 a.m. GMT to 9 a.m. GMT. The London session, or Great Britain and Europe session, 5 p.m. Eastern to 4 a.m. Eastern, or 12 a.m. GMT to 9 p.m. GMT. And the New York session, which is the 8 a.m. Eastern to 5 p.m. Eastern, and 1 p.m. GMT to 10 p.m. GMT. The best session to trade is the London session usually. The market can and often does change direction when the New York session begins. Once London closes for the day, the remaining New York session tends to be quiet. The entire Tokyo session is quiet enough that most traders avoid trading. The market can move during Tokyo session, but it's limited and can be very choppy. The trading sessions will impact your trading, especially if you choose to trade smaller time frames. 4-hour, daily, and high time frames are not largely affected compared to the lower time frames, for instance, the 30-minute, 15-minute, and the lower time frames during these sessions. It's good to know that these sessions are in existence and do come into play generally when one trades.